to my YouTube channel. Still on the topic change of subjects. So we are going to deal with the one that involves substituting into a transpose formula. Yes, you have the formula here already. We have made a certain word alphabet the subject. Then you are come to substitute what the numbers inside it and find the final results. Okay, so or still you will make a certain alphabet the subject, and at the end they will ask you to substitute a certain values into it and get final results. Okay, so example 1. It says find without using calculator the value of a. Yes, the value of a in the equation u equal to root of v squared minus 2as. If u equal to 12, v is equal to 16, and s equal to what? 4. Okay, so you are to substitute it and what? Get the right answer. Okay, so you are finding a. So u is equal to root of v squared minus 2as. Right. Yes. So u is 12, right? U is 12. Then is 16. So 16, right? Square it, so you square it. Minus 2. Multiplying a times multiplying what? 4, right? Multiplying 4. Okay. So get 12 equal to root of 16 minus what? Negative 2 times a. You get negative 2a times 4. You get what? Negative 8a. Negative 8a. I'm going to do the square. Right? Yes. Okay. Okay, so negative 8a. Now you want to eliminate the root, so you square root both sides. You square root both sides. Yes. So you get 12 squared is equal to root of 16 squared minus what? 8a all squared. Yes, because you square both sides so that you can eliminate the square root. So I didn't simplify this one because they are saying I shouldn't use calculator. So if I write 144, it means I have used what? Calculator, right? But the question says don't use calculator. Without using calculator, okay. So I will still maintain it. 12 squared is equal to these two will eliminate the fraction, right? Or sorry, it will eliminate the what? The root, the square root. So you get 16 squared minus 8a, right? Yes. We are finding a. So negative 8a can go to the left hand side. You get what? Positive a, right? Positive 8a equal to 16 squared, and the 12 squared will come here. You get what? Negative 12 squared, right? Yes. And get 8a is equal to this is what? Difference of what? 2 squared. This one is difference of what? 2 squared. So by expanding it, you get 16 minus 12 multiplying 16 plus what? 12. Yes. So that's how we can simplify difference of what? 2 squared. That's how we can simplify difference of what? 2 squared. Okay. So for like a minus b, difference of 2 squared. That's what? A minus b. Then a plus b. So that's what for difference of what? 2 squared. A minus b. Okay. So we are continuing. So we get 8a is equal to 4, right? 4. Multiplying, this one is what? We get 28. 28, right? So now we can divide both sides by what? By 8. For the things we are showing is calculator. Okay, so 8a is equal to 4 times 28 divided 8. 8. So 8 will cancel 8. A is equal to 4 here 1, 4 go here what? 2. 2 go here 1, 2 go here 14. So now A is equal to what? 14. Now A is equal to what? 14. So that's the what? Right answer. So as I said, they can give you a certain formula and ask you to substitute the values without using calculator, or whether you are supposed to use calculator or not. You substitute and solve it and get the right answer. And also they can give you a certain formula and ask you to make this one a subject and find this what value, right? Okay, so that's example 1. We move to example 2 as well. Okay, so example 2, it says if 3 over t plus t over q equals to t over r, I express t in the terms of q and r. It means we are making t the subject, right? I without using calculator, calculate t when q equals to 0.4 and r equals to 0.03. So that we are not supposed to use any calculator. So this kind of question, I hope you can solve it, right? Because we have done the one that what involves fraction. This one is so simple, you can solve it. Yes, I know that you can solve it. So you can even pause the video and try your hands on. After that, you substitute the value as well. Or you can watch and watch what I'm doing it. Okay. Now, so we are doing an I. We have 3 over t equal to t over q. Okay, so that's plus n is equal to t over r, right? Yes. Okay. So we are making t the subject. We are making t the subject. Hey, how many t we have? 1, 2, 3. Okay. We are making t the subject. So the axiom TQR, right? That is so you multiply the axiom TQR with all the terms. You have 3 terms as well. First term, second term, and third term. So the axiom TQR. So multiply them by the terms, right? So you get TQR times 3 over t plus TQR multiplying t over q equal to TQR multiplying t over what? Over r. Yes. So t will cancel this t. So QR times 3. You guess what? 3QR plus q will cancel q. So TR multiplying t. You guess what? T square r, right? Equal to r will cancel r. So t q multiplying t. You guess what? T square q. You get t square q, right? Okay. So now we are making with the subject. We are making t the subject. Yes. We are making t the subject. So we're supposed to group the like terms, right? Supposed to group the like terms. So we get 3QR is equal to, understand what it is, t square q. This one is coming here, so you can minus t square r, right? Okay. So now you see with 3p r is equal to, we are factorizing, so t square will come out. Then when t square come out here, it will be left with a q, right? And here too, when t square comes out, it will be left with r, right? Yes. Okay. So we have 3p r is equal to t square over q minus r. We are making t the subject, so we can divide both sides by the coefficients of what? T, which is what? Q minus r, right? So q minus r, q minus r. So t square is equal to what? 3pr over what? Q minus r. We are looking for t, not t squared. We are making t the subject, not t squared. So you square with both sides. So t squared equal to 3pr over q minus r. You square with both sides. You square with both sides. Right? Yes. You square with both sides. Okay, so The 2 here, we cancel this one. So therefore, t is equal to root of 3pr over q minus what? R. So that's what the final answer. I'll make t the subject of that what formula, right? Now it says without using calculator, calculate t when q equals to 0.04 and r equal to 0.03. Let me take my that's time coming to the board so they can continue. Okay, so that's the formula, right? That's what we are having. That's t equal to root of what? 3pr over q minus r. Where q equals to 0.04 and which one? The r equals to 0.03. Right? Yes. So we are substituting it. So t is equal to root of 3 times 0.04 times 0.03 over q. 0.04 minus 0.03. But the question is we are not supposed to use calculator, right? Okay. So t is equal to root of 3 times, we are making this one what? Leaving it in standard form, right? We are leaving this one in standard form. So 4 times 1, we move 1, 2, right? So 4, we move 1, 2. What is what moving to the right hand side is what negative. So 10 to the power what? And you move twice to the power negative 2. Multiplying 3 times this one to 1, 2. 10 to the power, you move to the right hand side. So when you are moving to the right, it's negative, left positive. So you move to the right hand side. So negative 2. Okay, so 3 to the power negative 2, right? Let's come to the right, the denominator. That one too, we are leaving it in that one. So that one we get 4 times 10 to the power negative 2. So of course 4, 1, 2, move twice to the right hand side. So 10 to the power negative 2 minus 3 times 10 to the power negative 2. That's because we are moving to the right hand side. Okay. So t is equal to root of 3 times 4 is what? 12. 12 times 3 is what? 36. You see, we are not using calculator. Yes. It's 36. It's 36. Okay. Now times 10 to the power, and you know we are this one multiplication, we add the powers, right? So negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 2, you get from negative 4. That's negative 2 plus negative 2. Negative 4. So yes, negative 4 negative. Yes, negative 4 negative. So here we got negative. So we get from negative 4. Yes. Okay. Over here you subtract this one, the 3 from 4. You get what? 1, right? You get 1. 1 and the sign as well. The sign times 10 to the power negative what? 4. Yes. And 10 to the power negative 4 because negative 2. Okay. Let's rewrite this one. So this one is not okay, so let me do that one. So this one 0.04 minus 0.03, you get what? 0.1, right? Yes. 0.04 minus 0.01. Yes. So if you can write it 1 times 10 to the power negative what? 2. Yes, negative 2 to the power negative 2. 1, 2. Yes. So t is equal to root of, that is 6 times 10 to the power, you can see negative 4. Because of the division, you bring minus 2, right? So it's negative 4. It's negative 4. But because of the division, you bring minus, and this one too is minus here. So negative 4, right? So it's what? Positive. You leave this one, it will be positive. So it's what? Negative 4 plus 2, in which you get what? Negative 2. In which you get negative what? 2. Okay. So now t is equal to root of 36 multiplying root of what? 10 negative 2. So t is equal to what? Root of 36, you get what? 6. Root of 36, you get 6 times, and root of what? 10 to the power negative 2, you get what? 10 to the power negative 1. Yes, 10 to the power negative 1. So you don't use brackets. This was standard form, right? Yes. So this is the final result, right? This is the final result. This is the final result. Without using what? Calculator. This is the final result. So thank you for again today's lesson. I'll post the assignment on the WhatsApp platform, which contains the substituting into a transpose formula. Either I'll read the formula, you substitute and get the final answer, or you work it out to get a formula, then you fish in the values. Goodbye.